Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover Sport 3.0 P460e Dynamic SE. Now, this vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Santorini black. To start off with, then you have your pixel LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 23-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against the Santorini black exterior colour. As well as this, you also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving through the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid. Once open, you can see that you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the light cloud and ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving in through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan round again, you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. Now, this car does feature a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 19,496 miles, however this is subject to change. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Of course, you also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, your 4x4 information, terrain response, drive modes, adjustable ride height and weight sensing. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on, ensuring that you always stay safe and comfortable no matter what. The front seats in this car are both heated and ventilated, which is ideal for those hot summer days as well as those cold winter ones. And this is paired with a dual zone climate control, so you can always travel comfortably no matter what. You of course also have your off-road feature on the 360 view camera and the 3D view, allowing you to see almost every angle of the vehicle. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover Sport 3.0 P460e Dynamic SE. It's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.